Question number 24 on the reading portion of College Board's Test 4. As used in line 20, expert most nearly means. So this is a vocab question. As always with vocab, identify the word in the passage, read around the word for context, come up with your own definition for that word, come up with phrases, come up with associations that you think match that word's meaning, and only then replace the word in the sentence with A, B, C, D, and see which answer choice A, B, C, D maintains the original meaning of the original word in the sentence. So the trouble is that it's difficult and expensive to make these compounds on an industrial scale, and as a result, patients can face shortages of the medicines they need. Dairy animals, on the other hand, are expert protein producers. Their udder is swollen. It's like they're really good at it, right? They're expert protein producers. That's how I think of it. They're really good at making protein because they make milk. Knowledgeable. They are knowledgeable protein. Okay, like a winemaker is knowledgeable. Like they went to school, they learn all these different ways of making wine. Is a dairy animal knowledgeable? No. Dairy animals cannot be knowledgeable because they don't know things. They're expert. They're good. They're able to do it. That doesn't necessarily mean that they're knowledgeable. It's like they read books and encyclopedias and treatises on how to make milk. Professional. They're professional. This is a good colloquial use of the word. This is another good bad answer. Just like A is a good bad answer, B is a good bad answer. But what is are they professional? That's a weird way of saying. A baseball player is professional. You might have a professional golf player. You might have a professional, in a field like a doctor or a lawyer. Are animals professionals? Do they get paid to do what they do? No, they're not. You can't be a professional. You can't be a professional. An animal can't be a professional. That's like what it comes down to. Like don't allow any possible room to make associations that might be funny or or odd, because that is odd. Like, take it for what it is and not be 80% about it and say, yeah, I mean, I guess you could be a professional, protein producer without realizing the associations for professional. Capable. They're capable. Capable means able to do it. When you're capable to do something, he's a capable employee. It means that he's able to do something. So when they're expert protein producers, it means that they're able to do it. That's kind of what I was talking about before. They're capable. They're able to do something. There's no knowledge. There's no professionalism involved. It's just capable, able. So what about trained? They're trained protein. Trained means like, an elephant that can jump through hoops in a circus is a trained elephant. You don't need to train animals to make milk. They're going to do it. They're biologically programmed to do it. So trained also has associations that are just not right in this case. The only one that doesn't have any weird associations is going to be C, capable. Capable is a very low barrier. It just means able to be done. Even though knowledgeable, professional, and trained all have the ability to do something, right? Notice how A, B, and D nonetheless have extra trappings and extra definitions associated with it that capable doesn't have. So leave it at that lowest common denominator. They're able to do it. They're not professional, they're not knowledgeable, they're not trained. They're just able. This is a good vocab question because we're able to realize when A, B, and D all add, when the test maker adds extra definitions, extra associations, extra connotations that get us confused and make us pick answers that just aren't describing the situation at hand. And it turns out the one that has the fewest connotations, the one that is the most straightforward definition, turns out to be the answer. Very good question. Highly recommend thinking about this in depth if you got it wrong. The answer number 24 is going to be C.